We got our pan hot, smoking a little bit.
We head into the kitchen at the local in Boston to turn up the heat ahead of Maryland's Best Chef competition.
Shake off that excess.
It's time to fry award-winning catfish.
Down into there.
Dak Trabold is the reigning champion of Maryland's Best Chef competition, put on by the Department of Agriculture and the Restaurant Association of Maryland for the governor's Buy Local Cookout. This year it will be held on July 21st. Trabold and his team at the local went on to compete in Dallas at the World Food Championships last year, and everyone placed in the top 10.
So we have a nice little color on it. We'll go ahead and flip this over.
Blue catfish is a must if you enter the state's seafood category.
I think it's just like that stigma, you know, where people are just not used to it, and it actually helps the waters. Everybody loves crabs. If we don't start eating this catfish, we're not gonna have crabs maybe, you know. So we have our local blue catfish, which we just breaded a little bit. We soaked in buttermilk, some seasoned buttermilk, and then just seasoned flour and a little bit of panko with some other herbs and seasonings in it.
Then he sautés some local vegetables and adds in white wine.
Gives that a sauce. And this is our rosemary, sweet onion, Old Bay hot sauce.
He splatters the sauce on the plate.
You eat with your eyes first.
Puts the vegetables on and tops them with catfish.
The catfish is very, very mild in flavor. It's flaky. You know, it reminds me a lot of like, you know, the texture of rockfish, which everybody loves rockfish in Maryland, so maybe we can get them on the boat of the local blue catfish instead.
Recipes can be submitted through July 6th, and they have to include products from a Maryland waterman, farmer, or other producer. The local takes pride in buying from local watermen.
You can get catfish at a sustainable price that, you know, if you prepare it right, it's still going to give you the same textures as some of those fish with a mild taste, flakiness.
Maryland Department of Agriculture has a mission through the competition.
We're just trying to increase public knowledge of the taste and the quality that you can find in blue catfish, and that you can actually eat blue catfish, and it's a great fish. It's a clean tasting fish, and the only way to curb the population of that invasive species is through the public consuming it.
A team representing chefs, farmers, watermen, and consumers will choose the winning recipes, and the chefs selected to attend the cookout will be given a $200 stipend to help with the cost of participating.
I always tell like a lot of my chefs that are new in the kitchen is like, you got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, you know, and try new things. You're never going to be a good chef if you're not, you know, you got to taste everything in the kitchen. So I think it's kind of the same feel for people as well.
Blue catfish may help all of us wiggle out of our comfort zone. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.